can't stop time, you can't freeze life, you can't outrun change. Earl Nightingale said it clearly, the only thing you can count on for certain is change. And here's the part most people miss. Don't wait for it. Be the agent, be the one who makes the shift, who sees what needs to happen, and moves first. Change is coming anyway. In your job, your body, your finances, your relationships, you can either ride the wave or get wrecked by it. So stop waiting for the perfect time, it doesn't exist. The best time to change was yesterday, the second best time, right now. Be the reason something shifts. Be the one who starts. Because change is not just something that happens to you. It can be something that happens through you. Be the agent. Start the change. Earl Nightingale.